thrift stores are like the best stores because like sometimes like pants are so hard to find, but you go to thrift stores and they're so easy to find.
What? How are they easier to find at a thrift store? Hey guys, what's up? It's Nico's Fashionica. I have a thrift video for you, and this is so exciting because it is a $10 outfit thrift challenge. In this video, you will see if I pass and hit the $10 mark or exceed it. I'm just really excited because I've never done this challenge before, so this is definitely going to be something that is new to me. However, I'm excited. $10 is honestly, I don't know, I feel like it's going to be really tough because $10 is not really that much. Today we are at the thrift store. We are at Assistance. It's my first time here, and I just heard that like all the prices are really inexpensive compared to like other thrift stores. So let's see if I can complete this challenge. No, it's gonna be hard because it's not enough. I'm nervous. I don't think I can do this. Alright, we found a good amount of things. So we're just gonna try it on and see if anything works out and see if I will win this challenge. I found this jacket. I really like it. It's just like the shoulder pads are way too big. Alright, this is the next outfit. Got some pants and then this fun sweater. I found the outfit, you guys. I always feel good about myself when I find like a full-on outfit at the thrift store. All right, we are back from the thrift store. You guys, I'm very excited to show you what I got. The first item that I got was, I love this sweater so much. Like, the material is so soft and it has like a silky sheen to it. It's nice and stretchy and it's ribbed. They were doing buy one get one sweaters. So I bought this for $5, and that means I got another item in here that's like a bonus outfit. So you guys for sure have to stay tuned for that. But anyways, yeah, this is the first item. I love the color of it. It's just perfect. It's gonna be perfect for the fall. I love the length of it too. So when I wear a high waist item, they just like hit perfect. I love it. Anyways, yeah, so I got this one for $5. So right now we are at $5 of my $10 limit. Okay, so I grabbed these little like linen, it looks like a blue-gray, honestly, and it's a linen pant. It's brand new too, so that's always a plus. It's super long on me, but I just kind of cuffed it inside for now. Eventually I'm gonna hem them to a culotte length, but right now it was like to my foot, so it's way too long, but I just love the style of it. I just thought that these two colors worked so well together, especially for the fall and winter. I would wear it with one of my favorite white pair of boots, pointed boots that I recently got from Target. I'm obsessed with those boots. They go with almost everything. White is going to be very in for this season, like pops of white like when accessorizing. And then I threw on my wide brim hat that I thrifted years ago. I forgot how much I bought it for. I think it was like $5. That was my outfit, and oh my gosh, you guys, these pants, so they were $10 regularly. There we go, $10 regularly, but for some reason today they were having $1 on all women's pants, so it worked out just fine. So if I got this buy one get one, this was $2.50, and then this was $1. So right now I'm at $3.50 for this outfit. I'm so excited. That means I have $6.50 left over. I wonder what I bought with that. AKA, I have a bonus outfit for you guys. Let's move on. This is my bonus outfit. So like I said, it was buy one, get one, all the sweaters. So I technically got this one for $2.50 and then this one for $2.50 because that's just kind of how I see it. But I grabbed this really nice cream turtleneck. I just love that it's a turtleneck. Oh my god, it's so darn cute. And I feel like this is gonna look really nice with honestly any kind of denim, and then even with like a black pant, I thought it would be really nice. So with that being said, This is my last item that I thrifted. It's a BCBG Max Azria. It's more of like a riding pant, I want to say, but it has like this, oh gosh, I don't know this term, but it has these like stripes down each leg, and oh my god, I was like so hesitant on getting it, but when I tried it on, it's so stinking comfortable, so I just like knew I had to get it for work. I paired these two together and I styled it in a way that it's more like casual, like going out to run errands or something, throw on my olive Adidas hat, play around with like the warm tones, throw on my white sneakers from Public Desire that I absolutely love to wear because they're just so comfy and I just love the style of them. And then I threw on a Teddy Blake bag. Honestly, you guys, I just love that bag so much because it goes with like everything. I love the chain on it. It's just really convenient and it's a good size. So this one was $2.50 and this one was $1. So I got two outfits for $7. That should really be the title. Maybe I'll make that the title actually, now that I'm thinking about it. But anyways, yeah, it was a very successful day. That concludes this video. Yeah, still in shock that I was able to find two outfits for $7. That just, it brings me back to the old thrifting days when everything was just so inexpensive. So definitely check out that Assistance League store. I'm sure there's one close by to you because there's like a ton. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more thrift challenges, hauls, whatever. Comment down below which outfit was your favorite, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, take care. Hugs and kisses. Bye, guys.